Why is testing more about the mind than manual work? Introduction. Testing is often considered more about the mind than manual work because it involves a deep level of thinking, analysis, and problem solving beyond just executing predefined steps. While manual work, such as executing test cases and logging defects, is an essential part of testing, it is the cognitive aspects that truly drive effective and impactful testing. The ability to think critically, solve problems, and adapt strategies is what separates good testers from great ones. Here's why the cognitive aspects are crucial in testing. Understanding requirements and scenarios. Critical thinking. Testers must thoroughly understand the requirements and functionality of the application to create effective test cases. This involves analyzing user stories, business logic, and potential edge cases. Scenario design. Crafting meaningful test scenarios requires creativity and insight. Testers need to think about how different users might interact with the application and anticipate potential issues. Identifying risks and prioritizing. Risk assessment. Effective testing involves identifying areas of the application that are most likely to contain defects. This requires understanding where potential problems could arise and prioritizing testing efforts accordingly. Resource management. Testers must allocate their time and resources wisely, focusing on high-risk areas and critical functionalities rather than testing everything equally. Problem-solving skills. Debugging. When a defect is found, testers need to analyze and diagnose the problem. This involves understanding the root cause, reproducing the issue, and providing detailed reports. Adaptation. Testers often need to adapt their approach based on findings, changes in the application, or evolving requirements. This requires flexible thinking and problem-solving skills. Exploratory testing. Creativity. Exploratory testing, where testers explore the application without predefined test cases, relies heavily on the tester's creativity and intuition. Testers use their knowledge and experience to discover unexpected issues. Curiosity. Effective exploratory testing requires a curious mindset as testers need to think outside the box and explore how the application behaves under various conditions. Analyzing results. Interpreting data. Testers must analyze test results, logs, and error reports to determine if issues are genuine defects or false positives. This requires a keen eye for detail and analytical thinking. Reporting. Writing clear and comprehensive bug reports requires not only attention to detail, but also the ability to communicate effectively with developers and other stakeholders. Continuous improvement. Learning and adapting. Testing is an iterative process. Testers need to continuously learn from past defects, user feedback, and industry best practices to improve their testing strategies and techniques. Process optimization. Evaluating and improving testing processes and methodologies involves critical thinking about how to make testing more efficient and effective. Understanding the bigger picture. User perspective. Testers must consider the end user's perspective and ensure that the application meets their needs and expectations. This requires empathy and understanding of user behavior. Integration and interactions. Understanding how different parts of the application interact and how changes affect the overall system is crucial for comprehensive testing. Show your support. If you like this video, please support my work by clicking the like button below and subscribing for more content. Engage and share your feedback. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments, and feel free to share this with your friends and office colleagues. Learn, grow, and collaborate together. Let's embark on this learning journey together, grow our skills, collaborate, and share our knowledge. Grab a pencil or computer and happy writing. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.